Hello everyone, welcome back to the Glitch Sip channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Demonite much faster. Demonite is a very rare mineral and can be difficult to obtain. Even at level 62, it can still be hard to find. First, teleport to the second map. I recommend using the Arcane Pickaxe or a better one. You should also buy the Luck Potion and the Mining Potion. These will make it easier to farm Demonite. Enter the cave area and head to the zone where Demonite spawns. Many players mine rocks here to find minerals faster. Once inside the cave, drink both potions. Now look for volcanic rocks, which are the ones that can drop Demonite. These rocks don't spawn very often, so patience is key. When you find one, it usually has around 5,000 HP, so be ready. If possible, you can buy a private Roblox server to farm these rocks alone. Even if Demonite doesn't drop every time, the potions increase your chances significantly. With enough luck and persistence, you'll eventually get it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Sip.